guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely stunning Kawasaki Z900RS. Gorgeous bike is this. These are one of our best selling bikes, and in the colour schemes like this, which obviously you can get the old Z900s in, a really popular shout. So this one's a 2023 on a 23 plate with super low mileage of just 2,076. It's got the lowering kit on there, so it's a little bit lower than standard. It's got the grab rail, and it's also got a radiator guard as well. And it's a stunning bike. This colour scheme, like I say, really is nice. Love the metallic blue with the nice gold and white stripes down it as well. Tech-wise, even though they're quite retro bikes, you do get a little bit of modern tech. You do get adjustable traction control that you can turn up and down or even off. You get ABS as well, gear indicator, fuel gauge, and some nice retro-looking analog rev and speed counters as well. But stunning bike, like I said, probably one of our best sellers. And if you do want it, do be quick, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.